I'd like to tell you a little story about a unique space on our Viking Ocean ships. When you walk into the Explorer's Lounge, you're gonna find this space called Mamsen's. There's a great story behind it. It started with our first ship, the Viking Star. When the ship was initially being designed, Karina Hagen, our senior vice president, she wanted to surprise her father, Tor, our chairman, going back through personal belongings of Tor's when they were pulling items from storage from the attic. Karina found some glassware that literally Tor was raised up on. And what really touched Karina is when she flipped over the plates, it actually had the names Viking and Tor there. I mean, how remarkable is that? This is decades ago. Karina wanted to surprise her father. The surprise was that she dedicated a space up in the Explorer's Lounge called Mamsen's, dedicated to her grandmother, Tor's mother. And so there, all guests could come up, enjoy Norwegian breakfast, lunch, some evening snacks, incredible soups, open-faced sandwiches. My personal favorite are these heart-shaped waffles with Norwegian goat cheese, delicious. When guests are up there, you are literally eating off the glassware from Tor's early years. All the glassware there is the exact replica of what she found. So anytime you're on a Viking Ocean ship, make sure you do visit Mamsen's, and that's a little bit of a personal story for Viking. Enjoy.